Two next-gen wireless carriers face off in 2025. But which one really delivers? On the left, Visible. Simple, unlimited, and 100% digital. On the right, Boost Infinite. Flexible plans and extra perks, designed for those who want more. Let's skip the fancy marketing and get down to what actually matters. Each round, we'll score the facts, so you can see clear winners in every category. And trust me, the winner might surprise you. Before we get too deep, here's the mind map. We're going to compare these two on price, network and coverage, data speeds, international goodies and extras, how easy it is to sign up, and the perks and promos. So get ready, we're about to look at all the stuff that actually matters. Let's start with price. Visible keeps it super straightforward. You're looking at $25 a month for truly unlimited data. Taxes and fees? Yeah, they're already baked in. So you're not getting hit with some weird random charge. No family plan discounts though, and honestly, that's kind of a bummer if you've got a bunch of people to add. Now, Boost Infinite. Plans start at $25, which sounds pretty similar, but you get more options. They've got deals on iPhones, Galaxy phones, and if you buy a phone through them, you might catch a nice perk. But here's the catch. Pricing and those sneaky taxes can vary depending on your plan, or even your region. Winner here? It's got to be Visible. That flat pricing and zero hidden fees is just so easy. Switching over to network and coverage. Visible runs directly on Verizon's nationwide 4G and 5G. So, if you're out in the sticks or deep in suburbia, you're probably covered. Only thing? On their base plan, you might get bumped down in speeds if things get crowded. Now, Boost Infinite does something cool. They use AT&T, T-Mobile, and Dish, so you can flip between networks depending on where you are. Pretty intuitive, but yeah, sometimes, especially in busy areas, speeds can take a hit. Between the two, Visible just takes it for reliability, especially in those hard-to-reach spots. Let's talk data and speeds because, come on, who doesn't want unlimited? Visible gives you unlimited data on every plan. The higher tier, Visible Plus, throws in 50 gigabytes premium high speed before dropping you to unlimited deprioritized speeds. Plus, their mobile hotspot is unlimited, though unlimited here is 5 megabits per second or 10 megabits per second depending on your plan. Just a heads up. Base plan does get deprioritized, so if you're always somewhere busy, Now, Boost Infinite comes at you with unlimited plans too, with high-speed data baked in. Some plans give you roaming data in Mexico and Canada, which is awesome if you travel. But heads up again, some plans can have hard caps, and hotspot speeds, or even availability, isn't always top tier. So, Visible gets the edge on the whole unlimited for everyone thing.
Oh, and here's something cool you may not know. Visible is a totally digital-only carrier. Like, you literally never need to walk into a store, ever. You sign up, get support, manage everything online or in their app. For some people, that's a game changer. Now on to international and extras. Visible. Okay, this is super cool. Lets you call and text Mexico and Canada with no extra hoops. On Visible Plus, you get 2 gigabytes of roaming data daily in MXCA and can text to over 200 countries internationally. No hidden add-ons, it's all in there. Downside, base plan doesn't get roaming data. Boost Infinite does include roaming in Mexico and Canada, but it's only for select plans. If you want to branch out internationally, you're paying like $10 for add-ons every month, which, not ideal. Visible holds up better if you want those international perks without added hassle. Let's talk sign-up and the overall experience. Visible is 100% digital. You do everything on their app or online. There's no waiting in line at a store, and the app's actually usable. eSIMs, billing, support, it's all right there. Downside? No in-person options. So if you love a real human, sorry. Boost Infinite lays it out with a modern app, which includes this Boost coin system for rewards. But you also get access to actual physical stores if you want someone to help face-to-face, which, let's be real, is kind of nice sometimes. Customer service reviews? A little mixed. Still, for ease and just how slick Visible's digital setup is, that one's our winner. Let's finish off with perks and promotions. Visible doesn't really throw a ton of flashy deals your way. But if you're on Visible Plus, you can snag discounts on Verizon Home Internet, which, not bad if you're already in the Verizon world, but that's about it really. Boost Infinite, though, is all about the promos. Boost coins for bill credits, regular phone discounts when you sign up for plans.
There's almost always something going. Value depends on what deals they're running, but I mean, at least there's something to chase there. So, for perks, Boost Infinite finally snags a category. So, looking at the radar chart, you'll see Visible just edges out Boost Infinite in most categories, except perks. Honestly, if you're after raw reliability, simple pricing, and set it and forget it vibes, Visible crushes. Boost Infinite stays in the game thanks to perks and store support. Okay, so straight up, if you want a no-nonsense plan that gives you full unlimited data, rock-solid coverage, and really doesn't bother with complicated pricing, Visible is the match, especially if you live online and never want to step foot in a retail store again. But hey, maybe you're chasing physical support, bill rewards, or you're obsessed with phone promos. That's where Boost Infinite can actually make sense. Pick what fits your vibe. If you found this Visible versus Boost Infinite face-off helpful, hit save and share it with someone about to switch plans. You know, help them dodge the annoying